So give it a chance, according to your plans. I bet I'm not number one on your list to kiss, but please understand. You seem quite shy, but you're oh so cute. And I'm the kind of boy that would love to be yours if you'd ask me to. So just take a chance, try to hold my hand. I swear I'll never let go, just to let me know, and I'll be your man. I really want to write and tell you, oh darling, I love you so. If you'd ask me for my heart, there's no way that I'll say no. Oh darling, just take a chance please, so we can stay together till hell starts to freeze. You seem quite right for a boy like me, and I wanna know, would you treat me well? Would you treat me like a king? 'Cause I'd like to show you and make you see that although we're different types, we were meant to be. I really want to come out and tell you, oh darling, I love you so. If you'd ask me for my heart, there's no way that I'll say no. Oh darling, just take a chance please, so we can stay together till hell starts to freeze. So I gotta ask you, I'm afraid I gotta take a chance at love, so what do you say? Darling, I love you so. If you'd ask me for my heart, there's no way that I'll say no. Oh darling, just take a chance please, so we can stay together till hell starts. Oh darling, I love you so. If you'd ask me for my heart, there's no way that I'll say no. Oh darling, just take a chance please, so we can stay together till hell starts to freeze. Thank you guys so much.